Yeah, maybe we'll catch this. This is so
We'll
funny.
get some better cameras going.
Oh, I wish I'd been filming quicker. What kind of bird is it? He did it again. He dropped it. I don't know if I got as good of a view of it, but he's just dropping them off. And he's getting Harry's attention with the dropping things more than he wishes, I bet you, if he knew. What kind of bird are you? Yeah, he should know about you, shouldn't he, Harry? Oh, he's gone now. That was funny. You could see he was dropping them on purpose. I think I can see his nest. Oh no. It's just a little clump. Hi, Harry. What do you think about it? What do you think?